All right, everybody stay cool.
Yeah.
New this morning, Sacramento-centric film Lady Bird is nominated for 5 Academy Awards.
Yes. Lady Bird, Scott Rudin, Eli Bush, and Evelyn O'Neill, producers.
Now, the movie, which was filmed in Sacramento, was honored with 5 Oscar nominations this morning, including Best Picture and Best Original Screenplay. Leading actress Saoirse Ronan and supporting actress Laurie Metcalf also received nominations for their performances. Writer-director Greta Gerwig also received a nomination, standing out as the only female in the category.
But this is what's most important.
Yeah.
Greta Gerwig joined us here on Good Day. It was about 2 years ago. She made the initial announcement and the casting call for Lady Bird live on air. Take a look.
We're now working on your movie now. It is your directorial debut. What's the name of the movie?
It's called Lady Bird.
Okay.
And I wrote the script, and I'll be directing it this late fall and late summer, early fall, and it's yeah, it takes place in Sacramento.
That's the best part. So listen up, people. It takes place in Sacramento. She's going to do her first movie here in Sacramento.
That's right.
She is going to be casting.
Yes.
For you.
Yes, this is a casting call. Where can I look into the camera? I don't know. Is it here?
You can take this one over there.
Okay. Oh wait, where? This one.
Yes.
I'm casting, and no, I'm very excited about doing it here, and I'm bringing in. I have cast that I'm bringing in, but then I also want to cast a lot of locals and use local talent, and I'm really thrilled about it. And I also love this city, and getting to show it off in a movie will be really fun.
It's going to be great, right?
Look at that!
It happened here first.
It all happened right over there in that corner, right over there. You know what upset me just recently this morning?
What's that?
You guys know I spent 15 years in Los Angeles, did TV shows and movies. So when other filmmackers have been here, I've been like, hey, put me in your movie.
Yeah.
Didn't mention it to her. Didn't even think about it.
You didn't think about it.
Didn't even think about it. Never occurred to me.
Doggone it.
I could be on my way to the Academy Awards.
You missed it.
Right now.
You missed your opportunity.
I know, but congratulations to her, and we're just so proud of her, and it was just a great moment for us to be here when she announced that she wanted to make this little movie as a love letter to Sacramento. And the world has taken notice.
It's a huge success. That's the thing. It's a huge success. And you know, you see in the movie, you see the scenes from Thrift Town.
Oh, you see all the local spots.
You see the Tower Theater, like spots that if you're from Sacramento, you absolutely know are quintessential Sacramento spots.
It's pretty
so
awesome.
Cool.
I'm trying to think of one of the first times a movie was shot here in around Sacramento is in the 80s.
Okay.
Emilio Estevez did his very first movie in Sacramento.
Really?
It was called Wisdom back in the 80s. And it was a big deal. Remember that?
Okay.
It's huge. That's awesome.
Sacramento's looking good.
Right? On the map, people. Hey,